few days ago, image generation changed forever. Google just dropped Nano Banana, their brand new AI image model, and Adobe, yeah, they're filing for emotional damage. Photoshop is basically a history book now. Instead of wasting your life learning hotkeys, layers, and 47 different brush settings, you can now just type a prompt like, "Make me look like Batman eating ramen in Tokyo," and Nano Banana will spit it out, crisp, clean, and somehow consistent. And that's the magic here. Character consistency. You want your cat in 20 different pirate poses? Done. You want your RPG character turned into an entire animation sprite sheet? Boom. No art degree required. Sorry, DeviantArt. It's also ridiculously fast and cheap. We're talking 3.9 cents per image via the API. That's less than the electricity it takes to open Photoshop on a Windows laptop. Of course, this is Google, so there are strings attached. Everything you generate comes with an invisible watermark called Synth ID. So yeah, your LinkedIn AI headshot in a $2,000 suit, everyone knows it's fake. And if you try to go spicy with it, forget it. Google's filters will just send you a polite no. But when it does work, it's terrifyingly good. One guy blended 13 different images into a single style instantly. Game developers, your asset pipeline just got yeeted into the future. Even creepier, it understands the real world. Point at a random spot on Google Maps and ask, "What does it look like here?" Boom! Nano Banana generates a realistic photo, like it's been secretly moonlighting for Street View. Now, it's not perfect. Sometimes it ignores prompts, sometimes it adds extra letters to text, and if you push it too hard with real humans, hello Uncanny Valley. Basically, it's like Google's AI interns are still in beta. But here's the bottom line. Whether you're making memes, building games, or just too broke to buy a suit for LinkedIn, Nano Banana is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Oh, and rumor has it Google also built a Grande Banana, but like everything else cool, it's locked away in a vault next to Google Glass and Google Wave. So yeah, this is the future of AI images. Adobe, Midjourney, maybe even your neighborhood freelance designer? Better start hedging with those puts.